Hi, this is my new mini router table. The overall length of the table bed is 300mm. The overall height to the top of the table bed is 300mm. The width 200mm, and the height of the fence 70mm. This unit is built using birch-based ply, the same as my larger units. If you look underneath, the router is fitted in the same way I fit my routers in the larger table. This unit is a Silverline 1020 watt 1/4 inch router, and that comes with the router table. The idea of making this router table was to have something small that you can set up and carry with you all the time. So this is very lightweight, very easy to maneuver. You can put this in a shelf or on the back of your van and it's ready to go. The fence up the top, simply undo these bolts and it's fully adjustable. Or if you like, you can take the fence off and operate the router. These bolts will come out and then you can operate the router to do mouldings and stuff like that. Okay, thanks for watching.